guys, this is my Android Hit unit, and now I am looking at CarWeb Guru premium themes. I have actually done this Rama, the review of that, and now this is the roadmap. So just click free with advertising, press OK, reset, unlock, and let's wait for it. Okay, I finished viewing the ads, and this is how the roadmap premium theme looks like. I think this is supposed to show me maps, but I think it's empty right now. Click here. What does it do? I think it's supposed to load maps. Perhaps it's because of my internet connection is not that good. It's not loading the maps. So on the left here, what you can see, there is a app icon where you can access to all your apps, and this is time, of course. Click on it, then this is the screensaver, and this is the setting buttons, or they call it the options button. And over here, this is showing 0 km per hour, means I'm not moving. Otherwise this will be changing according to the my meter here, so it should be moving. And the car here, I'm not too sure whether it moves or not, but I will assume that these two lines will move. Yeah, it shows that the car is moving. Yeah, well, that's how all the games like. Yeah, the road will move and the car will be stagnant at this area. This is of course the album art. When you play, it will change accordingly, but the thing is I'm not sure why it isn't shown on my screen here. And this is home, this is favorite, so this will show you all the necessary icons such as the sea level, the compass, and the satellite. And here you can actually add your own stuff, anything you want. For example, my own icons for my internet radio, my own apps that I normally use, like a radio, and so on and so forth. So pretty nifty. Yeah, all you need is this one site here, and it actually do everything for you. So I think the developer really knows that most of the people just need music and their favorite apps. Other than that, a nice view of a screen here, car moving, how fast it goes. Simple, nice. And this is the map. By right, it should show. I think this would change the theme, whether it's day or night mode. But the thing is, I think my internet connection is pretty bad. That's why it's not showing. Click longer, and you can see that there is five areas here on the left and 5 areas on the right where you can put buttons. For example, or other informations that you want. So for example, I want to put a music here. I can do that, but I don't want to spoil the view. It actually looks pretty nice without anything, because you can actually access your icons here, your apps here. So I'm gonna remove that and leave it as it is. This I have no comment. So you really gotta wait for it to load. Mine is just not loading. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please help me to do so. Bye.